Hi, this video is for explaining you in detail how Inshot app works. Go to your phone and download Inshot app and click on Inshot app. Go to videos section and click on video first. Start a new project by clicking on to green video button and select either the videos or the photos which you want to edit. Here select the photographs in the order in which you want them to appear in your video, and there is a green tick button with a round in the bottom. Once you've selected all your photos and videos, then click on the green button that is selecting all the videos or photos that you wanted. Once you start this, now we are trying to add text here. Click on T and start writing your text. While you're doing this itself, you can change the fonts of the text, or you can change the format in which your text wants to appear along with the text background. So here I'm selecting various fonts and the text backgrounds. The text backgrounds are here down below in the bottom, which I'm hovering my finger over, and you can see various text formats which are changing in the main screen. Select the text background that you want and then click on right click button, and that's it. You can place the text background wherever you want. There's also a transition effect. You can select whatever transition that you want for your video, and this is how the transition slides work. Pictures, I have to select whether the text that I've added I want to continue for how many frames. I'll continue that and press on right tick button and again start playing the video and see if it is coming as per how I want it. I go to other frames and check how I want the other frames. I will now add different backgrounds to other frames by clicking on to backgrounds and choose the background that I want. Okay, I can choose whichever color of the background and the kind of background, whether I want a blur background or colored background. I have chosen the background accordingly. Once I'm happy with the background, I can stretch the background effect till the time I want it, and also I can increase the size of this particular frame. Come back here now and start playing video from the beginning. Every time you can see how the video really plays. And click on play and pause button as in how you want. I'm now going to a canvas button. I clicked on canvas and I choose the background that I have chosen has to be thin background or a thick background. I adjust my canvas accordingly. You can also make a particular image or a frame to appear for a longer period or for a shorter period. Here I have made this couple to appear for a longer period. Now I realize that I don't want it to appear for such a long period, so I'm just reducing the size for which they will appear in the screen and coming to a size where I agree, and then I proceed ahead. This can be done with the right and the left arrows. Now the next part is adding music to your videos. So click on the music button and you can add music from the tracks, and tracks, a lot of these tracks are for free. They are free music which you can be used, and I am clicking on one of the musics called Joy track. I click on Joy and click on the download pink color button and click on the button called use, and it starts downloading and starts playing along with my video. Now I check if the music is appropriate for me, and then accordingly I play it, and if it is suiting the background and the images, then I keep it or I change it with the same. Now just checking finally if the video is according to how I want it to be. Then I go on to save button and I click on a particular resolution. In this case, the images resolution is higher, so it's not giving me the option of 720p. Otherwise it gives me the option of 720p. I select 1080p and I select 30 fps, meaning frames per second. Then I click on save button, and there is an ad that plays. Once the ad becomes or has a cross button, I click on the cross button. It starts converting my video. It converts really fast. It also shows you if you want to upgrade to your a paid version or a premium version. It's up to your choice. If you want to upgrade to a premium version, it's not very expensive. The video is ready.